when the night feels heavy on my soul, and the road ahead I cannot see. I hear you whisper, you're not alone. Your love is lighting the way for me. I've seen mountains move in your name. I felt your peace calm every fear. Even when my strength is gone, I know that you are always near. With God, all things are possible. Every broken dream can rise again. Through the fire, through the impossible, I will trust you to the end. When I can't see the miracle, I'll still believe, I'll still stand. With God, all things are possible. I place my life inside your hands. When my heart is tired from the fight, and hope feels far beyond my reach, you remind me by your word and light that faith is more than what I see. I don't walk this road by my own. Your power is made perfect in me. Every step I take in faith is a step toward victory. With God, all things are possible. Every broken dream can rise again. Through the fire, through the impossible, I will trust you to the end. When I can't see the miracle, I'll still believe, I'll still stand. With God, all things are possible. I place my life inside your hands. If you spoke the stars into the sky, if you healed the blind and raised the dead, then I know you're working in my life. Your promises are not finished yet. With God, all things are possible. Chains are breaking, hope is born. You turn mourning into joy again. You make beauty from the storm. I will walk by faith, not fear. I will trust your perfect plan. With God, all things are possible. Forever held within your hands. I believe, nothing's too hard for you. I believe, all things are possible with you.